Do you want to find your target audience? A big problem that affiliate marketers face is that although they have valuable affiliate products, they don't know who to sell it to. They have not identified their target audience. So, to help you, I will share a document that has helped me define my target audience. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and before I share that document, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates from myself. Okay, so let's jump in. So, this is the customer avatar document that we will use to define our target audience. Okay, it has three parts. The first part is customer profile, where you will define two things: the customer demographics and customer psychographics. Then the second part is about customer pain points. So we'll create or we'll come up with 5 relatable and believable challenges that our target audience is facing. And the third part is about customer desires, which is the ideal outcome of these 5 challenges in part 2. Okay, so we'll use AI. So I will open my browser and walk you through the steps of creating or filling this customer avatar document. Okay, and since we're using AI, I have written prompts to fill the customer avatar document. Okay, if you want, you can download the customer avatar document. I've placed it below the video in the description box. Okay, so the first part of the customer avatar document is to define the demographics: age, gender, city, and so on. Okay, so since we're using AI, I've written a prompt for it. Okay, and the prompt is: I'm an affiliate marketer who promotes home gym sets, and I will promote only in India. Okay, your task is to tell me age, gender, and everything that you see here is defined in the customer avatar document in part 1 under demographics. Okay, tell me the target audience who will use the home gym set. For illustration, only for demo, I've used this product, home gym set. This is the product that I will promote as an affiliate, but here specify the product that you promote. Okay, so I'll promote home gym set just for illustration. Okay, age 25 to 45, gender both males and females, city metro cities, educational level college educated or higher, relationship status married or single individuals, occupation professionals, executives, entrepreneurs, individuals with sedentary desk jobs. Okay, and monthly income middle to upper middle class, that is 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees per month. And members of the family, couples or small families, 2 to 4 members. Okay, so copy each detail, age 25 to 45, and then once you have copied the details, go to the customer of the document and paste it here. Okay, age is 25 to 45, gender both male female, city metro cities of India, educational level college graduates, relationship status single and married, occupation you have got it from AI, monthly income you have got it from AI, members in the family AI has given it. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll go to the next step. Okay, so the next step of the customer avatar document is psychographics, and the first thing in psychographics is what are their interests. So the first part of psychographics is what are their interests. So I will write the prompt here. Now tell me the interests of my target audience. Is it entrepreneurship? Are they a foodie? Do they love films? And so what kind of films? Okay. Based on target audience profile for home gym sets in India, here are some potential interests: entrepreneurship, foodie culture, films and entertainment, Bollywood, Hollywood, independent or art house, web series. Other potential interests: travel and adventure, health and wellness, technology and gadgets. Okay. Once I have this, I will copy these points: entrepreneurship, foodie culture, Bollywood, Hollywood, independent or art house, travel and adventure, and so on, and paste in the first point of the second step, which was psychographics. Okay. Then once the interests are done, then what is their lifestyle like? Okay. So for that, I'll create a prompt. I'll write a prompt. Okay. So this is the prompt I've written. Awesome. Now I want to know what their lifestyle is like. Do they only eat organic, or do they have a high stress job? Do they work out 3 times a week? Okay. Okay. Diet and eating habits. While some may follow an organic or health conscious diet, it is unlikely that the entire target audience strictly eats organic food. Okay. Stress levels. mainly in the target audience, particularly those in high income brackets and professional occupations, are likely to have high stress jobs and long working hours. Okay. Exercise routine, a reasonable assumption. Okay, this is an assumption, this is not factual. 2 to 3 times a week, 45 to 60 minutes per session, and variety, a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Other lifestyle factors, limited outdoor space. Yes, in metro cities there are limited outdoor spaces. Time constraints. Yes, due to work we have time constraints. And then social and recreational activities, socializing with friends, dining out, movies, and so on. Okay, so this is perfect. Then point number 3 of psychographics is, what are their core values? So I'll write a prompt again. So for point number 3, question number 3 is, now I want to know the core values of my target audience. Do they care about integrity, transparency, diversity, and so on? Okay, so I've pasted it, I've written the prompt in Claude, and let's see what Claude gives us. Efficiency and convenience. Busy professionals juggle work and personal life. Efficiency and convenience are likely the highest score, absolutely. Health and wellness, they do not get time, so yes, they'll need time for health and wellness. Quality and durability, yes. Environmental consciousness, while not necessarily a top priority, a segment of this urban audience may value environmental sustainability and eco-friendly products. Okay, so if you promote home gym sets, you can type this keyword as well: eco-friendly home gym sets or eco-friendly exercising equipment. Okay, then privacy, personal space, transparency, and so on. You can copy paste these points in the customer avatar document. Okay, the fourth question under psychographics is, what are their personal goals? Okay, so I'll write a prompt for that as well. Okay, the prompt for question 4 is, wow, now tell me about their personal goals. Is it to be at their healthiest, to generate more wealth, to look good naked, to have a beach body? These can be big N type goals or even short term ones. Okay, so health and fitness goals: healthiest physical and mental state, building strength, endurance, overall fitness, maintaining or achieving an ideal body weight and composition, preventing lifestyle diseases, yes, feeling more energetic and productive. Appearance goals: looking good and feeling confident, building an attractive physique, enhancing self esteem and body image, looking good in professional and social settings. Lifestyle and work life balance goals: reducing stress, better work life balance, improving overall well being, and so on. So, copy the goals that make sense to you. All right. Now, the fifth question of under psychographics is, what causes matter to them? Okay. So, I've written a prompt for question 5, which is, now tell me what causes matter to them. What movements do they support? This is key consideration to understand what kind of brand messaging would appeal to your avatar. Okay. So, okay. Health and fitness advocacy, environmental sustainability, women's empowerment and gender equality, very important. Local community development, yes. Corporate social responsibility, health and fitness branding message. So, okay. When you promote home gym sets or anything related to health, you must emphasize the health benefits. Okay. Always emphasize the benefits. Do not run after this is the best gym because it is used by many. Emphasize what benefit. Okay, answer the question, what's in it for me? Answer what what products you are promoting will help them in the long run. Okay, then question 6 under psychographics is, what brands do they use? Very important. Okay, so I've written a prompt for this. Now tell me about the brands that they use. These brands don't necessarily have to include your competitors. Which are your competitors? All that would be beneficial to know. Okay, so here we want to know the brands because probably if you're promoting a home gym set, they could be advocates of some brands. Okay, so you'd like to know what brands they use. So okay, domestic brands like PowerMax, FitKit, Health Genie, Solimo. International, Nordic Track, Bowflex, Nautilus. Athleisure brands: Nike, Adidas, Puma, Under Armour, Reebok. Indian brands: HRX, Rogan, FRST, and so on. Okay, then supplement brands: fitness technology, Fitbit, and so on. Lifestyle brands: Apple, Sony, LG for entertainment, and so on. Okay, so it is important to know them because when you resonate with a brand, you want to buy more from it. For instance, I have a MacBook. Next, I want to have an iMac, probably an iPad as well. Okay, so people of these target, if you have a target audience like these, they would be brand advocates. Okay, they will be loyal to one brand, so you can also target people who like a certain brand. Okay, so step 2 is done. Now we come to part 2, which is, in fact, I'll share the PDF. The second part is to identify customer pain points. 5 relatable and believable challenges that your target audience is facing. Okay, so I'll go back to Claude and we'll create 5 believable pain points that your target audience is facing. Okay, awesome. So we are here. So for this, my prompt will be, okay, so this is the prompt that I've written. Now list 5 relatable and believable challenges my target audience is facing. And I've given this example. I've copied this from the customer avatar document only. Okay, so let's see what AI gives us. Okay, 5 challenges are: I have a demanding job that requires long hours and frequent travel. Okay, living in crowded city, I find commercial gyms to be overcrowded and inconvenient. Yes. With limited outdoor space and an unpredictable climate, I struggle to find a suitable environment for exercising consistently. Awesome. Juggling work, family responsibilities, and social commitments, I often find it challenging to prioritize my health and fitness. Okay. Then I've tried various gym memberships and workout routines in the past, but I struggle to stay motivated and consistent. So, based on part 1, the lifestyle that they live, these are the 5 relatable and believable challenges that the specified target audience, the target audience for home gym sets in India, has these 5 challenges. Okay, so copy these and paste in the document. Okay, then we go to part 3. The third part is customer desires, ideal outcome, that is the opposite of each pain point in part 2. Okay, so I'll go back to AI and we'll go through the 5 challenges that AI came up with. Okay, so the 5 challenges that AI came up with was demanding job. So what will be the opposite of it? So we'll now try to find the opposite of each of the pain points. Okay, so I'll write another prompt for it. Okay, the prompt is now list the ideal outcome that is the opposite of each pain points, which is this in the previous response. This is the previous response. Okay, so let's see what Claude.ai gives us. Pain point number 1, I have a demanding job. Ideal outcome is with a well-equipped home gym, I can now conveniently fit in effective workouts whenever my schedule allows. Then, pain point 2, living in a crowded city, I find commercial gyms to be overcrowded and inconvenient. Ideal outcome, my personal home gym provides me with a private distraction-free environment. Okay. Pain point 3, with limited outdoor space and unpredictable climate, I struggle to find a suitable environment. Ideal outcome, I have a compact and versatile home gym setup that perfectly fits my limited space while providing a comprehensive full body workout. Then point 4 and point 5. Okay, so copy and paste in the customer avatar document. If you don't think this is valuable, you can retry or you can modify the prompt that we have written. Okay, awesome. So this was a short video, but in this video we found your ideal customer avatar. Okay, you will use this document for targeting, for running ads, and to actually find what your target audience desires and wants. So with this document at your disposal, you will be able to create campaigns that are super duper powerful. Okay, you'll not be shooting in the dark. Okay, now with this document you will know exactly what the desires, goals, and pain points of your target audience are. Okay, and then you can create content accordingly and promote products that solve their problems. Okay, so that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates from myself. And before ending the video, the customer avatar document, I've placed the customer avatar document below the video in the description box. Okay, so download the customer avatar document and create a customer avatar that will blow your mind away and that will boost your affiliate commissions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.